Hello guys, welcome to the 26th session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to use master layout in Blazor. Like Razor pages, Blazor also supports layouts. Usually, the application contains several pages. In all of those pages, we may need to apply the same styling and components. For example, navigation bars, footers, sidebars, and any kind of pop-up. Here we have three pages, that is Home, About and Contact pages. Let's open Contact page. It contains navigation bar, heading text, footer and page directive so we can access this page. Other two pages also have the same code but different header text and paging directive. For this, instead of writing this code in all pages or components, we can use layout. And we can move all common part in it. We can move navigation and footer in the master page. Let's create master page. We need to inherit it from layout component base. It has only one property, that is body. Now I'm copying this navbar from contact page and pasting it. After the navbar, we have to display content from the page. For this, we need to use body property and at the end display footer. Here our master layout is created. It's time to use this in all required pages. Now remove this navbar and footer. Use layout directive to specify the layout for this page. We will use master page that we have created. I am making the same changes in other about page and home page. Save the file and run the project. Now open contact page. Here we got output as per our expectations. It includes navbar and footer along with the component. Let's open about page. Again it includes contents from master page. Note here that this page used two different layouts. This part was added with default template and another was created by us, which includes this navigation and footer. Here, I have specified layout in each page, but you can also specify this in import file. It will include in all components. We can also create imports file at folder level. Let's see what we have learned in this session. To create the master layout, we need to inherit it from layout component base. To render the content of the component, we need to use the body property. To use master layout in the component, we need to use layout directive. We can also set this in import file. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.